guys see this? Use your hands and just massage this. Alright, here you go guys. Whole chuck tender roast recipe in your air fryer. It's gonna be very easy. It's gonna be a very delicious recipe. Let's right away work on our recipe. It's a green recipe of our tender roast chuck. This is a whole thick tender roast chuck. Let's put this tender roast chuck in our marination bowl. We are using all fresh herbs right here. We have basil, we have rosemary, and we have parsley. We'll be using some garlic, some cumin powder, meat tenderizer, sea salt, and black pepper. And check it out guys, we will be using the flavor injector. We need all the flavors inside our meat, right? Let's work on our marination first. So we will be making a kind of a green smoothie for this recipe, right? So this is at least 1.5 pound of whole tender roast chuck, or it was like 1.87, so it's more than 1.5 pounds. So it's almost, let's consider this as 2 pounds. 12 cloves of garlic. This is the cumin powder. We will put right on top of it, okay? 1 whole tablespoon of cumin powder. This is the meat tenderizer. We'll be using at least 1 whole tablespoon of meat tenderizer right here. So I'm not putting all the dry ingredients in here, I'm putting dry ingredients right on top of it. Black pepper, 1 whole tablespoon of black pepper. It's gonna take me forever. 1 whole black pepper. Sea salt, it's a secret. It gives nice flavor actually. We will be adding at least 1.5 tablespoon of sea salt. It's gonna take like forever now. Okay. You can use melted butter. I'm using canola oil right here. All goes in here. Use at least 15 to 20 tablespoons of oil. This is all organic. Take out our rosemary. Chop down some rosemary, fresh ones. I'm using with the stem. So it's a big guy. We should have a lot of rosemary should be in there. These are the herbs. Goes in here. These are the herbs. They're gonna give the nice flavor to our chuck tender roast. Basil. Some recipes do require some new ingredients. That's why we are here. I'm making sure I'm not cutting my new leaves. It's my fresh organic plant. So I'm grabbing all the big leaves and just plucking it from here. At least I would say if you have fresh basil, use at least 10 of the fresh basil leaves. Fresh parsley. I made a little bit mess, but it's all okay. It's all fine. Alright, fresh parsley. All goes in here. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, let's go. Blend this right here. And we have to make a fine liquid out of it, okay? So we are with our fine blend liquid. It still have one big guy. Okay, don't worry about this. Alright, pour everything on top of your tender chuck roast. Use your hands and just massage this. Take a look here. The green recipe of the tender chuck roast. For now it looks a little bit more, but it's all okay. Just mix it more. Just rub it. At this point, you can taste. I guess I need a little bit more salt in there, but the herbs and everything is all perfectly fine. So 1 more tablespoon of salt. So this is our flavor injector. We have a extra seasoning going on here. All the herbs and everything what we made together. It has the meat tenderizer. It has all the flavors. Right now we will be injecting this in our meat. So we will inject. You see it's coming out right here. So we will inject all the way in and we will just give a tiny push. Flip the sides. Just make sure it's doing its job and inject it. We need this. Let's do it here, all the way in, and push the last one. You see, it came out from here. So it means our meat has been flavored from inside as well now. Let's turn on our Ninja air fryer and we will be putting our steak right in here. So turn on your Ninja Foodie grill. Press the roast. It's 375 degrees. Now the time, we need at least 30 minutes for this. This is air fry. Air fry has an option to roast something and just turn it on. Let's add our steak in our air fryer. This is our air fryer right here. This chuck roast steak, all of it. And just land it here. All goes here. Be careful while you're putting it. I got some burn marks just because I touched the surface recently. Once you add the steak, close the lid, and I'll see you after 15 minutes. You will see this. This is just our initial steps, we have to follow to make this big roast. Alright, flip the side, oil and the seasoning. So this Ninja Foodie grill, right, what it does, it cooks from the top side and it cooks from the bottom side as well. Now again guys, our whole beautiful chuck roast steak in our air fryer for another 15 minutes. Friends, it's been 30 minutes. We have been roasting our chuck roast steak right here in our Ninja Foodie grill. So this is after 30 minutes. This is what you guys will see. Flip the whole 2 pound of chuck roast steak like this. See, it looks so deliciously done. If you have a thermometer for the food temperature, the inside should reach at least 145 degrees. For me, I want my meats to be a little extra cooked. So I'll close down this lid, and this time guys, improve the temperature at 500. We'll cook it for 10 minutes, just like this. This is my version of it. This is what you get after crispily on the outside. This is all crispy on the outside. We'll grab our tender chuck roast steak and land it right here. You guys see how crispy it looks from the outside? This is what we needed. This is what we asked for right here. This is our first cut of the meat. Okay. You guys see? It's OMG. OMG, this is what we wanted. It's all air roast, air crispy. OMG, it looks so good. It has a tender situation going on the inside. And it has the medium rare side as well here. If you guys see, this is what I was telling you. Yes, it's all tender meat right here. It's sounding crispy for now, but take a look here guys. Whole chuck roast steak in our air fryer grill. I'm just going deeper so I can tell you guys it's all fully cooked. This is I'm already in the middle, and here you go. You get all the flavors all at once, all in here. Chuck roast steak is right here. Under an hour, fully cooked, enjoyable. It's tender on the inside, crispy on the outside. Juices are all falling over. If you guys like really medium rare, just cook it for 30 minutes. Do subscribe to the channel, like the video if you really like it. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.